Today we're going to make the Shrek Milkshake. The first thing we're going to do is decorate our glass.
Spread some vanilla frosting on the outside of the glass.
Now take chocolate jimmies and pour on the frosting. Next we're going to make our homemade whipped topping. You can use Cool Whip if you like and just dye it green. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Whisk until it forms soft peaks. Pull a very small amount out, put it into a piping bag. That's going to be to decorate the eyes. The rest we're dyeing green. Now for the milkshake itself, 1 cup of milk, about 5 scoops of ice cream, vanilla. Shrek's favorite food is onions. I'm not putting any onions in here, but we are going to use some vanilla extract, about a half teaspoon. And a few drops of green food coloring, of course. And just blend it up.
And pour it in.
Top with our green whipped cream we made.
Bend a couple spoon straws. I already did one to the left, and then bend one to the right.
Now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to use a different straw for that. And of course with our green tiny spoon. Delicious.